$20 if you want to ride it.
This I'll pay for.
Is it a dark ride?
Yes.
It must be.
Yes, it is.
Collection of regular games in all the
What?
seas. We've got extra skills in the coral reef ring toss.
We're about to go on Spongebob ride? What in the world? Did not know this existed.
Patrick, this isn't Carnival gaming equipment. These are all ingredients for delicious Krabby Patties.
Wow!
Thank you.
Oh man. Here we go.
All I need is a few ingredients, and the Krabby Patty secret formula will finally be mine.
Step right up and hit the Just point your pointers at the bubbles and
Oh, I'm hitting them.
start popping.
I'm hitting them.
Every hit earns you 4 points.
Come on, baby.
Looks like you got the right idea.
Yeah, I do. Come on.
Just think a little bit.
He's got himself.
That is a yes.
I want that mystery one.
Wow, some of you are really good at missing those bubbles.
That's me.
Great job, everyone. Now head on over to my pal Squidward at the basketball toss.
All right, we're going to Squidward. See you, SpongeBob.
Bye, SpongeBob.
Welcome to the basketball toss. Shoot hoops for fun and prizes.
Okay. It's a tomato. I haven't gotten a single one.
Me neither.
Ah, buckets. Buckets.
Why am I so bad at
Gold one. Gold one's the one you want to go for.
Oh.
Aim lower than you think.
Take out the pace.
I'm trying.
Squidward.
Why is it moving so much?
Warning, Patrick's hosting the next game. Pass around.
Woo!
Oh.
Ready to smash some lights?
Yes, sir.
I rung the bell. Did you hear it?
I did hear it.
Yeah! Oh, break those plates!
I'm breaking them.
It
Smash!
smells so good in here.
Why does it smell good in
These
here?
frozen patties are making me hungry.
It smells good.
Nope, still hungry. SpongeBob! Now's my chance. Come to Papa!
I got him.
I haven't done anything.
I got him.
I'm pressing as fast as I can.
Oh. Maybe that's why it
Oh
smells
yeah,
good.
definitely.
Try again. It's the onion ring toss. Just toss the...
Oh.
That's right. I love onions.
Me.
Guess what? They'll ring.
Get him.
Oh, hey! Whose side are you on anyway?
Get him.
What's wrong, SpongeBob?
I just love onions.
No! Well, this food is making me so hungry!
That gives me an idea for a new game. Follow me.
Pew, 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 pew.
Oh, my arm.
Oh, Krabby Patty.
All right, Patrick. A whole bunch of Krabby Patties coming right up. They're ready.
It smells like Krabby Patties.
Now presenting in the center ring. It's time to feed Patrick.
Eat, Pat.
Patrick, please, Patrick!
Why are you moving, bro?
More Patrick's over here.
Yum.
Less Patrick's.
More!
Yum.
He's still hungry.
What do you boys think you're doing? All those Krabby Patties are costing me money!
Money, 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 money.
Better than that, Krabs. Once I get this Krabby Patty back to my lab, nothing will stop me from learning the secret formula.
Whoa.
You'll never catch me, coppers!
Oh, no, no, no! Don't let him get away!
What am I supposed to do?
Get him!
I'm throwing pickles? Whoa.
Are we moving?
Yes.
Come on, baby, come on!
Take out the lab! Hurry!
Watch it, watch it!
My lab! Not my beautiful lab!
Whoa.
Oh, it's better than that, Krabs. Once I get this Krabby Patty back to my lab, nothing will stop me from learning the secret formula.
Harry Gary.
11 minutes later.
When can you win? You stop acting and save me restaurant! Now let's see how you did on me Carnival games!
Oh, and that's me. And that's me again.
Now to celebrate, why not head over to
I
the
won!
Krabby Patty and buy some delicious Krabby Patties?
Mr. Krabs, we can't make any more Krabby Patties. We used all the ingredients for these games.
SpongeBob! Get back here, you two!
That was good. Wow.
And then we're back at the beginning.
11 minutes later.
That's crazy.
Wow. Oh yeah, let's go to the shop.
Well, guys,
The crazy carnival. Diet Dr. Kelp.
where's my Dr. Kelp? My diet Dr. Kelp. That's funny. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I rode a ride.
You did ride a ride.
I kind of have to get a pin for my collection.
But nothing specific to the ride though.
True. I'm so glad we came
Yeah,
here.
that was good. That was great.